Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your April month's reading. So let's see what's happening in the month of April, whether that's your career, love, health, relationships, anything, right? So your cards are already out. Let's begin. In the first week, you've got the Cardinal card and the Completed World. Well, I do feel that in the month of April, you will be making a very risky move or very necessary move, which others around you might feel that it is risky. For example, you're planning to change a house. Others might tell you, no, I don't think it's a good idea. You don't even have a stable job. You should think a little more. Or I don't think this is a good idea. You've never been on your own. I'm just giving an example. But this move is going to give you a lot of benefits. This move is required for you. Yes, it may be risky. Yes, it may be challenging, but it shows courage. So you are going to make a courageous move in the month of April, starting the first week. Anything which was causing you instability, whether that was relationships or whether that was financial instability, your world will start to feel complete, right? You will have control over your life in the month of April. So if you were being influenced by other people, or you had monetary problems, or somebody left you and you were missing them, you were feeling incomplete without them, you they are going to come back. You are going to feel complete. So if you're single, get ready to be in a relationship. If you're in a relationship, get ready to get married. If you're married, get ready to have children if that is what you desire. In any way, if you were feeling incomplete, like I said, financially or personally, your world will be complete soon. Getting to the second week, we have the Eight of Spades and the Temperance card. I do see that something in your life is causing you a lot of stress. You are overthinking about a particular situation. Especially it is regarding something that happened in the past. Maybe a past argument, maybe a past person you're no longer in touch with. You're thinking of a reconciliation. So yes, reconciliation will happen, right? But you will need patience. You will need a positive outlook. So if you have started overthinking a lot or not sleeping properly or negative thinking, you have to stop it right now. You need patience and you need a self control. Now, this card is also asking you to maintain balance in your life, which means don't try to adapt to the circumstances, because your life, the life around you will also be changing. So, April onwards, you will see that major changes are happening around you, whether that's relationship dynamics changing in your own house, whether that relationship dynamics changing in your relationships, love relationships, or your workplace as well. A lot of changes are happening for you, and you need to have patience and balance, right? Try to take care of your health also, try to take care of your sleep also, because a lot is changing, right? Definitely, if you're expecting a reconciliation, that's going to happen in the second week. For the third week, you've got the Neophyte and the Devil card. Again, there is someone around you who's causing you a lot of stress. Now this person can be at your workplace, or this person can be in your relationship, or this person can be in your home as well. I do see that there is a very toxic person around you, a devilish energy, somebody who doesn't mean well, somebody who's after your life, somebody who's backstabbing you, somebody who's talking shit about you on your face, behind your back, somebody who is jealous of you, somebody who's aggressive, abusive, and somebody who just don't want you to grow. If this is a person in your workplace, if you can, try to find another job and leave that place. If they are in your home, try to move out of your home. And if this is a relationship or marriage we're talking about, try to end it if you can, because this person is only going to cause you harm. I do see some of you are going through a very stressful time because people around you are very toxic. So if you can break free from such people, if you can remove the negative and toxic people from your life, please do it. In the first week also, we talked about a risky move. This can be that risky move that you're required to make. Now, people might think that it is risky. People might think ending a relationship or marriage is not easy, or changing a home is not easy, right? Or changing a job or starting a business is not easy. But it is required, right? Because this is taking a lot of mental uh, stamina from you, mental energy from you, and it is draining you from the inside. The best way forward will be to break free from anything which you think is toxic and harming you, mentally, spiritually, or physically. Coming to the last week, we have the Three of Stars and the Judgment card. I do see that some of you are dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising or Capricorn Sun Moon Rising, and you are currently in a no contact situation, in a separation situation with this person, or you could have a Capricorn or Libra Sun Moon Rising in your own chart. Now, you have to take major decisions in your life regarding this person or the relationship with this person, whether that's a business partnership, whether that's somebody at your workplace. I do feel that there's a huge connect with you and this person where this person is causing you a lot of harm, whether you realize it or not, to what degree or not. But yes, this person is sort of trying to bring you down. Judgment card means that it is a time where you evaluate everything, take everything into account, and see whether staying with this person in the relationship or in the same house or business partnership is worthy for you, or moving away from them. If the answer is that yes, you can survive on your own when you move away from them, then please make that decision, right? Because as long as you will be around toxic people, your personal growth and your financial growth will be affected. Once you make that decision to completely cut off, separate yourself, like you can see this cross, this has come in the right time. Completely separate yourself, like I'm no longer entertaining you, I'm no longer interested in your energy. When you completely stop them from interrupting in your life, you move away from them, whether you change your place, city, country, I don't care, move away from them. When you do that, you will see that big changes start to happen in your life. Professionally, also, you start growing. Mentally, you start growing. You start glowing as well. You start feeling healthy. Everything that is still stuck, like promotions, like stability in your finance, your business, or your relationships, love relationships, anything which you think is being affected, all that will try to all that will go away and you will find success, right? So if you make major decisions, if you take that risky move, you will definitely reach a place where you will be making a lot of bold moves and changes. Your whole life will start to change. When you reach the end of April, you will see that your life is changing on a very, very big level. Okay, something that you never imagined because you were so comfortable in living with toxic people that you did not realize it is harming you more than it is benefiting you. Okay, so please make that move. Please identify which are these toxic people and remove them, or remove yourself. All right, I hope this advice helped you. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book a reading, if you have specific questions, or if you would like to book a bay leaf manifestation ritual or a blockage removal ritual, March 29th is coming, which is a time of new moon. So try to book it today so that your ritual can start on that day. It's very important. Magnetic powers are there in the cosmos right now. This is the perfect time to do any ritual and ask for anything. If you don't know how to do manifestation, just book a bay leaf ritual and I will do it on your behalf. Otherwise, you can do a blockage removal ritual on your own. So you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram DM me as well on the Moksha Tarot. I will send you all the prices. My lowest price starts at 170 rupees, and obviously I have various services and various ranges, so whatever suits your pocket, you can choose that option. Every service has the lowest and the highest option as well. So yes, choose what you want, what suits you best. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.